And welcome back to the channel. So I am going to start doing some vlogging. Let me know in the comments whether you like this sort of content or you just want me to carry on doing my YouTube tech stuff and uploading videos. Let me know if you find this interesting. I'm going to give you a bit of history, not going back all the way, just a bit of history what's gone on in the last couple of years, and then I'm going to tell you a bit about some up and coming videos and give you some more information about everything else. So here we go. So back in December 2024, my wife passed away. She had cancer of the esophagus, and obviously that was devastating. I didn't want to see her go, but yeah, it is what it is. And I did go right downhill for quite a while, and I was lucky that I had good workmates, I had good friends, I had family, I had my wife's family, all very supportive. And yeah, without them, I'm not sure what would have happened. I did start putting on quite a bit of weight, and decided I didn't like being fat. So I started going to the gym back in May 2025, and that helped. I joined the JD gym in Chatham in Kent in England, in case you want to know what country I'm in. And yeah, that helped. It also helped that I could talk to them as well about my issues, and they were very supportive and gave me some tips on, you know, trying to keep fit and getting stronger. Anyway, this year I decided to do a Race for Life, a charity run. I've never ever done a charity run ever in my entire life, and it's because of my sister-in-law. She suggested, why don't I do it? And I thought, I'll give it a go, do the 5k one, because that's the one she was doing. So I joined Race for Life. Bearing in mind, I've never done any running only on a treadmill. I don't go out running or stuff like that. So I knew it was going to be hard, because running outside is totally different to running on a treadmill. Uneven ground, going up hills, going down hills, things like that. But I thought I'd give it a go. And I was quite impressed with myself. I'd done it in just under 29 minutes once I got to the start line, so I probably lost about a minute there trying to get to the start line. But under 29 minutes, so I'm well pleased with that. And I did actually have someone come and help me keep running well. A young lady lives in Mason. I don't know who her name is, but thank you very much for that if she's watching. I doubt if she is. But yeah, she started running with me. She was meant to do the 10k one, but turned up too late, so she's done the 5k one, and she just joined joined me, and just kept me going, sort of thing, because I wanted to start and thought, Jesus, this is hard work. It's a baking hot day as well, so that didn't help. But we done it, okay? So that's a bit of my past. I'll get into more details about my past and about how I got into tech, if you let me know in the comments whether you'd like to hear a bit more about my past, you know, and why I started doing tech stuff. So that's that out of the way. Now, what I thought I'd like to do in my vlogging, because vlogging is not the same as blogging, because vlogging is a video, so that's why it's got a V instead of a B, so they call it vlogging. So what I thought I would do in my vlogs, if you're interested, is give you a bit of updates on what's going on in my life, and also up and coming videos, like this little baby here. So this is the DJI, let me double check, this is a DJI Osmo Mobile 8P, and this is the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. Both are very similar in specs and performance, and I am doing a comparison on both of them. I've already done an unboxing on this one, and I will do an unboxing on this one. Check out my videos on my YouTube channel, and you know, in Facebook or wherever you want to be. Hopefully you'll join my YouTube as well, because I need to get the actual subscriptions up. So I'm doing a video on that, plus I also have another unboxing. I can't show you all the detail, but I can show you that at the moment. It's another pair of earbuds, because I like doing earbuds. And I'm looking forward to doing them, because I find these earbuds are very comfortable, especially when I'm at the gym. Also, I'm releasing a video, and you'll probably see this video if you've already joined my channel. This will be coming out probably tomorrow, or the same day as that one's coming out. So that one is, well, that one's got a new PSU in it, and what I've done is, hopefully, I've tidied up the cables at the front. Hopefully you can see that, I'm not sure if you can. I've never been very good at cable management on PC build, but I do like building PCs. It's just very expensive, especially nowadays. You know, in 2026, they cost a fortune. Graphics cards, stupid money. Motherboards, sensible money. Well, just. You know, it's still a few £100, but at least they're not in the 1,000+ market, are they? If you want a decent graphics card. Processors, again, very expensive. Again, not as dear as graphics cards, and so on. Especially RAM as well. That is ridiculous now as well. And yeah, so that's why I can't afford to keep building computers. But if I get enough followers and enough subscribers, I might start getting more free stuff so I can give you more content on building computers. Because I like building computers, and same with networking. I'm not a network engineer or anything like that, don't get me wrong. I'm not trained to build computers, I've just learned how to build them myself. Also, I do get some things wrong, like your bits and your bytes. You know, I think it's 8 bits to a byte, in it, or something like that. And sometimes I word it round the wrong way and people moan at me, oh, you said that wrong, it should be the other way round. You know, it happens. I make mistakes. Let me know if you'd like to see more vlogging. I need your feedback to help me decide whether or not to do this. Stand or sit in front of a screen talking to you about, you know, what's going on in my life and what products I'm going to be making a video on, if any. And also with your feedback you can even ask questions like, oh, can you do a review on this, or can you have a look at this, or can you give me a bit of advice on this? I will always try and help you if I can. I do get a load of comments mainly on my YouTube channel saying, oh, can you give me a bit more detail on this, I need a bit more information, and I'll try and type it in and tell them. I always try. Sometimes I can't because I haven't got the product anymore and I need to see the actual component, wherever it is, so I can work it out what they're trying to talk about sometimes. Not all the time, but sometimes. So with that in mind, like I said, if you like my channel, think about subscribing and following, whether it be on Facebook, YouTube. It'd be nice if you could do Facebook and YouTube and all the others, Instagram, you know, Twitter, things like that. It's not Twitter no more, is it? Yorkies X. Patreon. I don't think I've got anyone on Patreon at the moment, but you know, these things take time to grow. And I decided we need to start growing. We need to get bigger so I can do more and more videos and pack up down to work and doing this full time, just to make you all suffer. So with that, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you'll give me some good feedback. I don't mind if it's negative feedback, but it would be nice to have some good feedback as well as your negative feedback. So thank you very much for watching. Have a good day or good evening whenever this video goes live, or whenever you watch it. Hopefully you will click on that little button and start subscribing and build the channel up. We need to build it right now. And if I do get enough positives coming back, I will start doing more vlogging in between making videos. Yeah, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, something like that. Don't want to go too mad, do we? Not too soon. Right, catch you later.